Hey everybody, this is Tazb78. Tonight we're breaking a box of Royale 2011-2012. There's a list of the winning bidders with their teams. Well, let's get this started. Oh, sorry. Let's just get our serial number. Hopefully you can catch this. 9E93938856. I'll remove the pack and see if you could see better. It's any better. I'm sorry guys. So far this is good. So, checklist. Got 4 packs. Empty box. I'll just fix the camera for the table a little bit. Sorry, hopefully nobody is. Okay, so we got 4 packs. Let's get this started. I gave up on trying to open the packs, so I'm careful in opening it this way. So we've got a base card. Psycho Quavo. Base card, Winnipeg Jets. First hit, all the King's Men, Toronto Maple Leafs, Joe Colburn. There we go. So Toronto. Got a Ruby card, Claude Giroux. Philadelphia Flyers. Sorry if it's quicker than first time trying this angle. There we go. And a base card, Buffalo Sabres. Okay. So base card, Anze Kopitar Kings, Marc-Andre Fleury Pittsburgh. First autograph for the Winnipeg Jets. Whoa, sorry, a little shadow. Carl Klinger. Hope I got this right. Winnipeg Jets. What was that? Spacer. Base and a base. Two more packs to go. Empty. So base for Columbus Blue Jackets. Sorry. Let's leave it over here. Base for Detroit. Got over here. Ice Kings for Detroit. Nicholas Lidstrom. Yeah. This one. Spacer. Oh, sorry. Here's another base. Ilya Bryzgalov. And finally we've got Tom Barrasso, Buffalo Sabres. Scratching the surface signatures. Very nice card. Buffalo Sabres. And the last pack. Empty. Base, Chicago Blackhawks. Let's go backwards. Base, New Jersey Devils. Nope. Low kickback, Vancouver Canucks. Sorry for that. Trevor Linden. That's what. And the last card. Let's flip this around. Not easy to hold, sorry. Nice patch. Here's to the throne. KBL Landsberg. Landsberg, sorry. Sorry about that. Serial number is 24 out of 50. Nice patch card over here. There you go. So that's it, folks. Thank you very much, and see you on another break.